the specific trend that continues our innovation for our fertilizer application customers is their continued need for increased efficiency. And a lot of times that can be translated into acres per hour, or it can be translated into less operator fatigue, or something like that. And one of the ways that we've responded to that request recently is with the introduction of our AT4020, which is behind me here, with a fully isobus capable toolbar, down pressure plus application, all running off of the current VRT in their tractor. The idea is not only to reduce operator fatigue, but to increase acres per hour overall by running it all through the isobus system, so they're not having to mess around with the old way of doing things and hooking up to the tractor and things like that. And another great thing about the 4020 is if you have a isobus system in 2 tractors, it literally is plug and apply to change tractors. You're not having to move a whole bunch of controllers and things from tractor to tractor. As long as both tractors have compatible VRTs, we're good to go to the field. What we're seeing that are different in the changes in design from the 2016 compared to like 2014 is we're really trying to focus on conveniences for the operator, which leads again to greater efficiency. Whether it's something like this behind me in the AT4020, or it's a smaller transport width than something else, or something that we can do like a hydraulic hose holder to add a creature comfort to make it faster and easier for hookup. All of those things are things that we're starting to design into our machines in order to make it easier and faster for the customer to hook up and go to the field and then be done. Our philosophy is to, first of all, talk to growers, talk to our dealers, talk to our distributors about what kind of needs they're seeing in the marketplace, what's important to the customer, and what's important to them in terms of design elements, so we can hit it right the first time. And that's how we get to market faster, is if we hit it right the first time, and then through our, if we hit the idea right the first time, and then through our finite element analysis software that we have in our engineering department, we're able to identify what could be potential weaknesses in design or anything like that before we even build the first one. So with those 2 elements, that's really what we've been focusing on in our engineering department, is making sure, one, that we hit the right things that are important to the customer the first time, and then go through our finite element analysis process to make sure that everything is sound before the first one comes out the door. Anytime that the ag economy is tougher, we always try to do more innovation than we do when the ag economy is booming. We feel that if the product is an innovative product, even in a tough economy, a guy's going to take a real look at it. Is this going to help my operation? Is it going to improve it? And so if we continue to innovate, and we innovate more in a tough economy than we do in a great economy, we feel that we're much better off than if we just kind of put the brakes on things and wait for things to improve.